Alright, so this is a little small section that we're gonna turn into our nursery area. As you can see, the color is like a what? Like a brown color. Don't really know what that color is. And then this is the other side. Obviously we have nothing. We were trying to clear up the space so that we can start setting it up so that we can paint it. But just wanted to show you a little before. This is a little area within our master bedroom, but we want to keep this area as our nursery area so that we don't have to be going in and out of the bedroom to check on the baby. So there it is. Now I'm gonna dust everything, clean the walls, the base mounts, put blue tape, get it all paint prep so that we can start painting this space.
There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters. I don't wanna blink when I stare at you. I can barely breathe after. Let the world pass us by. Let the world see what's mine. Oh, this is effortless bliss. Your kiss is my daydream. In a time when love's dead, I found my one and only. I drop my anchor down. I've been lost in my head. I've gone all kinds of crazy, but I won't drift around. There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters. I don't wanna blink when I stare at you. I can barely breathe after. Let the world pass us by. Let the world see what's mine. Each other like the air we breathe. Please, never take away my drug. In a time when love's dead, I found my one and only. I drop my anchor down. I've been lost in my head. I've gone all kinds of crazy, but I won't drift around. There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters. I don't wanna blink when I stare at you. I can barely breathe after. Let the world pass us by. Let the world Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Sorry that I blinked it. Oh.